Okay, my table is a mess. Ignore it. I just got done doing two really awesome paintings, and I decided to use the colors that I just used again. This is actually Prussian Blue and Mars Black, both by Amsterdam. And I am going to put some TLPs down, and I'm going to blow this out. This is not house paint. As a bloom, I should be using house paint, but I don't have that right now. I am hoping to make this a clock when it's dry. We will see though. I actually got this wood round from Amazon. It came in a 4-pack series. I'm not sure if that deal is still up on Amazon, but I will put a link down in the description below of what I originally bought, and hopefully you can still get it. All right, so I'm using TLP's Macaw, TLP Or, TLP Abalone or Abalone, and then Nebula. And Nebula and Or were mixed together to make this really cool shimmery sage green. And I'm madly in love with it. And I'm not even a green person, but I'm madly in love with this color. So let me quit talking and start doing some art. Or making a mess, one or the other. All right, I do wish that there was more of the sage green right here. So I'm just sitting here contemplating whether I'm gonna do it again. And I might. Or I can be patient and see what it looks like. I'm gonna leave it alone. It is quite dark on this one side, but I'm gonna leave it alone because I love the rest of it so much that I know I'm gonna regret if I paint over that right now. So I'm gonna let it dry, and I will see what it looks like once it's dry. And if I don't like it, then I can paint over it. That is the joy of this type of painting. All right. See you guys in a few seconds with the dried results.
So it is dry, and oh my God, I'm trying to get the color changing effects by using my phone to record the end of this video. It's very difficult. But I just wanted to show the shimmer and how much this changes in the light. I am definitely making this a clock. I don't know if you guys saw, one of the captions that I put in the video is that I grabbed the wrong bottle of paint. I grabbed my lamp black with American Floetrol in it and GAC 800. I did not grab the golden carbon black with Australian Floetrol in it for a cell activator. So this is not crazy with cells, but I ended up liking the results so much that I said I have to keep it. It's too cool. I was afraid it was too dark, but when you see it in the light, oh, it changes color. It is so, so cool. I think this is going to make a really fun clock, and I will show you all an update to this video when I make it a clock. But for now, I really hope you guys like this video. Thank you for all the new subscribers and everybody who keeps coming back. I really appreciate all of you. This has really become more than just a hobby. This is pure enjoyment painting for me. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next project. Thank you so much for watching.